In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor. Make sure you are on the site where you want the counter to appear, because everything you set up will be added directly to that project. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left sidebar and click on Add Apps, which is the icon with 4 squares. This is where Wix lets you browse extra tools and features you can install on your site. In the search bar, type number counters and look for the app you want to use, such as a number counter app from the Wix App Market. When you find the app, select it. Then click Add to Site. At this point, Wix may ask you to grant a few permissions so the app can connect properly with your website. Go ahead and approve those if needed. Once the app has been added, a dashboard will open. This is where you'll begin setting up the counter. First, choose a template. Templates give you a starting layout, so pick the one that best matches the style of your site. After selecting a template, the Customize panel will open. And this is where you can really shape how the counter looks and behaves. Under the number count settings, you can add or delete counters, depending on how many stats you want to display. You can also change the counter value by adjusting the start and end values. This is useful if you want the animation to count up from 0 or from any other number to the final score you want visitors to see. Next, go to Icon Layout. Here, you can choose how the icon is positioned with the counter. The available layout options include left, and top center. Pick the one that fits best with your page design and keeps the content easy to read. After that, move to the Appearance section. In this area, you can change colors, text styles, and borders. This is an important step because it helps the counter blend in with your site branding and overall design. Take a moment to preview your choices so everything feels polished and consistent. When you are happy with the look, click Next in the bottom right corner. You'll then be able to adjust the rules and triggers. This controls how and when the animation starts. So review these settings carefully based on the experience you want visitors to have. Once everything is set, click Next again. And then click Publish to add the widget to your Wix site and make the animated number counter visible to your visitors. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.